replace my Google on my home screen with ChatGPT. I've been using the mobile. Comes right next to the keyboard. You'll find a little headphone icon. You click on that and you'll enter into voice mode. And you're able to speak and say, hey, I'm doing an episode with Neil Tyra on the Law Entrepreneur podcast. What do you like about this podcast?
That sounds great. The Law Entrepreneur podcast is well regarded for its insightful discussions on the business side of law. Neil Tyra does a fantastic job of bringing in knowledgeable guests and exploring practical topics that help lawyers navigate the complexities of running their practice. What aspect of the podcast are you most excited about discussing?
What were the themes that Neil Tyra talked about with his guests?
Neil Tyra's podcast, The Law Entrepreneur, often covers themes that are vital for legal professionals looking to run successful practices, marketing strategies, and transitioning from being just a lawyer to also being an entrepreneur.
Pretty spot on. I know for me to prepare for these podcasts, I wanted to look up when did I do the episodes with you? What were the topics we talked about? Who were the most popular guests? What were the most popular themes? It helped me within a very quick amount of time do some quick research to be able to be well prepared.